Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you duplicate a project in your Basecamp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to duplicate a project in your Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, managing a lot of different projects or teams, a lot of times the projects are similar with a slight variation. So instead of creating a whole new project every time, you can just duplicate an existing project. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to duplicate a project in Basecamp, you're actually going to create a template of that project that's going to be a duplicate of your current project. And then from then on, when you're creating a new project, you can simply just use that template again. So what you're going to do is click right here, view all projects in the list. Once you do that, go ahead and choose the project that you want to duplicate. So for example, this one right here, client onboard. Okay, so here you're going to see all of the message boards, the to-dos, the docs and files. And in order to make this a template, so you can easily duplicate it, here on the top right, click on these three dots. Once you do that, you want to click on Save as a Project Template. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the Make Template from the project screen. So you can choose to include the people that are existing in that project and also include the comments. I usually don't do that. And then click on Create Template. Okay, so now we have a project template, so we can easily just duplicate that project now. So I'm going to go back here to home. Once you're here in home, you can click on Make a New Project. Once you do that, instead of creating a new project, you can click right here, Choose a Project Template. And then here is our Client Onboard Template. And we can go ahead and name this. So maybe this is a Client Onboard for Anthony. And then I might have a duplicate of the project for Client Onboard for Jonathan. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to duplicate a project in your Basecamp account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.